appreciate y'all reinforcing this deal.
Yeah, the old rate was a little precarious.
Yeah. Well, the state put that in.
Oh, is that right?
Wow.
We need to get on this issue.
Okay.
So we
Y'all had to get all this crap out of here to do what you did, didn't you?
Yes, sir.
Look at the drywall and the painting. This house, as far as I can tell, was built in the 40s. And it had a lot of damage. It was old. And then when Hurricane Harvey came with 7 to 8 inches of standing water in here, it made it worse. We'd be sitting in water right now from where Harvey was. And I've been here about 5 years and trying to get back in. Is this new
Yes.
ceiling fan?
Yes, sir.
Wow, this is neat. I like that.
Yeah.
It's better than what it was. This is gonna be where I'm gonna stay. It's been a pleasure having you out and doing the work that needed to be done. And this place has improved 1,000%. I'm really impressed with the work that the restoration team is doing here.
Well, we appreciate that.
You're welcome.
We love being able to work with you, so thank you for having us.
You're welcome. Thank you for being here.